Hey guys, so I got this wig from Length by Rizé Curie. Watch me do a quick review and a bomb install. So this is the packaging, guys. As I said, here from Length by Rizé Curie. Let's get into it. So in this package, we got wig caps, awesome. We got an edge brush, also awesome. But you know that's slay them edges. Um, we got some clips to help with our install. Alright, so this is a grab and go wig. It's 20 inches. It's a closure HD lace, and because it's a grab and go, it's already prepped. All you need to do is put it on your head and you go. Oh, it comes with adjustable strap, guys. So I'm going to adjust it to the size of my head and let's see. What? Okay. Alright. What lace? Wait. Hold on. What lace? I have seen. So it doesn't have clips, but it's snug. Like it's really snug. Alright, so I'm just going to spray a little Ibin on the lace, tie it down, and then I'll style it. So guys, the hair quality, the bomb. It's 180 density. It's soft. It's not glued down at all, and it's seamless. What lace? It's just nice. So, oh gosh, good, 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 good hair.